Check that out. Today, with Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. We're doing shrimp scampi. Stay tuned. You're gonna love this one. Smells awesome. Throw it down. Throw it down. Today we got some shrimp scampi for you. Pay attention because this sucker is gonna go fast. So we threw down some garlic, get a little olive oil in there. Get some good butter in there. Yeah. We're going to go to medium coarse black pepper. Get it in there. We might need a little more olive oil. As I say, this is going to be quick and easy. You will be doing this in no time. You want that garlic to brown up like that. And then the shrimp that we're fixing to bring in, it only takes about 2-3 minutes to cook. And we got 2 ingredients that go in it after that. Look at that. This smells awesome around here. Almost time for the shrimp. So this is part of a little series I'm doing. So up in the iCard, up in the corner, you'll see garlic green beans. I'm gonna show that. Oh, throw that shrimp in there like that. We left one. Alright, at this point you can stir all you want. They're gonna turn pink. And you either watch for the color like Papa does. I'm Papa Texas, and this is Papa's Kitchen. We try to be here every Sunday for you. Alright, outdoor cooking by the way. So, simmer down a little bit. Let's just hit a little more heat. I'm gonna add a little more of something. I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil like that. Gonna throw down a little more garlic. Throw down a little more butter. Let's get her mixed. So it's been awful hot to cook during the day out here. But it got awful quiet. Let's see what we're doing. We're right under the medium. Try and get it mixed into all the goodness. And then we'll let it sit. If you don't like to just pay attention to the color, what you want is you probably want about 130 degrees internal temp on your shrimp. Tell you what, I just made them garlic green beans. They're freaking awesome. There will be a link at the end of this video to that, or you can just go to Papa Texas, papatexas.tv, papatexas.com, whatever you want to do. All right, let me quit playing with the shrimp. Let me just let them set for 20 seconds. All right, so now we're back. This is goodness right here, y'all. Did y'all see how easy this is? Now, if you've never made shrimp scampi before and you make it from this video, please, it helps me out. Personally, my feelings to help me want to cook more. Come back and tell me. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up whether you like Papa or you like shrimp. Alright, we're going to give it another turn here. You can kind of, yeah, that's still too hard. I love this smart row. There goes that baby right there. See, she's done. They done. Alright, we got 2 more ingredients before we plate them up. We're going to take this bad boy lemon, squeeze her on there. Squeeze a little bit of the other side because I got too many big. They're too big. I'm going to throw a little cilantro in there. Now we're going to plate it up and show it to you on the plate. Check that out.